So we've had some people ask us about how to restrict a user. So in Sunbase, we have different levels of restrictions that we can do. The first one is we only want a user. So I guess the first one is they have access to everything. If you look at a user, you can see restrict scope, restrict calendar, restrict territory, restrict team. Those are all unchecked, which means that this user, when they sign in, can see all the leads, all the opportunities, all the customers. So now let's walk through the different levels of restrictions that we have. The most granular level of restriction is called restrict scope and restrict calendar. When you turn these on, the user will only be able to see the leads that they either created, their appointments that are on, or the sales rep on. That's it. If they look at work orders, they can see, again, those same customers or anyone that they're associated with, if they're the installer. This is highly recommended for sales reps, like especially dealer programs, external sales reps, or just anyone who's not like the sales manager. Now, if you don't say restrict calendar, they can only see their stuff, but when they go to the calendar, they can see everything. Okay. The next level we have is called restrict team. So I can click on edit, I could create a team, I could assign people to my team, and maybe those people are restricted at a scope level. But on the team lead, I can say restrict team and then pick the team. And what that's going to do is that's going to let them only see people on their team that are listed as the creator, appointment setter, or sales rep, or installer on a project. Now we also have the concept of territories. Territories can be both geographical and logical. So companies that have multiple offices might have 2 different territories, and you might have different sales reps and appointment setters working in a particular territory. You can restrict them at a territory level if you want. And to create territories, you can do that under service, dispatcher, territories. So these are the 3 different levels that you can do. There's some more advanced features, like under territories, you can create territories that contain other territories. You can also do one level higher, so you could create like a manager who manages a set of teams. But let's avoid those for this demo. So basically, that's how you can restrict users so they can only see what you want them to see. Now, this is not to be confused with access controls, which allow you to take away functionality. This basically filters the data. The access controls filter features or actions in the system.